In this video, we'll go over the steps to join a macOS machine to Active Directory so that users can authenticate with their on-premise AD credentials and access domain resources. To make this connection, you need the AD Bridge portal up and running. Please see this video if you haven't done that already. Here are the steps we'll go through. If you have a self-signed certificate, we'll install that on the macOS. Then we'll install the AD Bridge agent and see the machine in Active Directory and in the AD Bridge portal. Finally, we'll log into Active Directory as an AD user on the Mac machine. There are 3 prerequisites for this setup. First is that you have an Active Directory domain. For this setup, my domain is mica.local. Of course, yours will be different. Then you also need the AD Bridge portal up and running, and then a Mac machine for connecting to AD. We'll start by installing the self-signed root CA certificate onto the Mac machine and then install the AD Bridge agent. Copy the ca.crt file onto your Mac. This file was created during the AD Bridge portal installation, or you may already have your own. Then proceed with the steps to trust this certificate. I'll show you the exact steps in this video. Now that we have a trusted certificate, we can now install the AD Bridge agent. You should have these files from Full Armor. If not, please reach out to your contact there. Install the correct version for your Mac machine depending on whether it is Apple Silicon using the ARM-based processor or the Intel chipset based on the x86 architecture. Okay, here are the steps we'll go through to install the agent. Please note that the Cloud Gateway URL and domain information will be different for your environment. I'll show all these steps in the video now. Please follow along. With the Mac agent, there are 3 installation options which I'll explain here. You can join the agent to the Cloud Gateway only. You can join the agent to both the Cloud Gateway and create a computer object in AD. Finally, you can just install the agent but not join it to anything if you are setting up disk imaging or cloning VMs where you will register them later on. For this setup, I'll select H, which is both adding it to the Cloud Gateway and to AD. Please enter your Cloud Gateway URL and domain information when prompted. Now that the installation is completed, log into your Active Directory domain and look for your Mac machine in the computer's container using the Active Directory Users and Computers MMC snap-in. Additionally, log into the AD Bridge portal to the Devices tab and see your Mac machine there as well. Now, I've created a user in Active Directory that is a normal user in the AD domain. Let's log in as this user on our Mac machine. Log out of your Mac so that you can log back in with Active Directory credentials. If you haven't logged in as another user on this machine, you may not see the username and password boxes. To fix this, log back in as the local administrator and then go to Settings, Lock Screen, and then the When Switching Users section and change the login window to Name and Password. Then log out again. After logging in, go to System Settings to confirm that this new user is listed in the Users and Groups. In summary, we joined a Mac machine to Active Directory, where Mac users can now log in with their AD credentials. Please see our other videos to join Linux and Windows machines, authenticate with Microsoft Entra, and other identity and access management systems, as well as learn how to manage, secure, and audit these machines with policies. For more information, please visit us at www.fullarmor.com, or if you need help, please reach out to us at sales@fullarmor.com.